Hey guys, Carly Voinski from carlyvoinski.com, and I am back after kind of a long hiatus, but not really compared to some other YouTubers that you might be watching. However, it is October 2018 and I'm back to show you guys and to talk about how I've been able to maintain the weight that I've lost on the ketogenic diet that I was doing. So if you've watched my videos and if you've watched my channel, you'll know that for a long time, for a good 5 months, I'd say, I was super strict keto. I was logging everything, drinking exogenous ketones. I was kind of working out, kind of not really, but I dropped all the weight that I wanted to lose. I dropped a little bit over 40 pounds, and it was great and it was amazing, and it allowed me for the summer to buy new bathing suits, buy new jeans, new clothes. I'm still kind of updating my closet as I go into all of that, and that's all really exciting. And then after that, the 5 months, I guess kind of in the summer, I started transitioning, allowing myself some cheat meals. I started, especially when I went on vacation, I kind of totally blew it on vacation and just kind of ate whatever I wanted. And that was the first time that I really went all in and ate whatever. And came back from vacation and kind of got back on track, but didn't go super strict like I had been. I haven't been logging my food, none of that. So it is now October, and throughout the summer, I was crazy busy with work. By the way, I have not been working out. So I was crazy busy with work. I was also in 2 productions. I was in Oliver, and then I went right into Godspell. So those did keep me active and moving and things like that. But I was busy, which meant also what happens when we're so busy, we don't meal plan, we don't prep, and we eat like crap. So I did all of that. And here's the thing. I went on the scale this morning, and I've maintained all that weight that I lost. It's now October. I started this in January. So for a good 4 or 5 months, I was super strict keto, started entering in some cheat meals, still not eating crazy like I used to, but I definitely have better habits now, and I've been able to maintain. I haven't gained any of it back. And that is such a testament to, I think, what the ketogenic diet can do for you, for what exogenous ketones can do for you, and to what just through the ketogenic diet, learning better habits can do for you. So I'm here to encourage you guys and to say do it and stick with it and go for it. So what have I been doing to maintain? I have been a little bit more active. Again, being in the 2 productions, being in Oliver, being in Godspell kept me busy. Work was, not that work is physical, but work for me as a worship leader at church, we launched a new location and we were just busy. So it was just a lot of not really sitting around, but just a lot of going, I guess. And instead of the stress, though, turning into weight gain, I was able to maintain. And I did that through still being active a little bit, through watching my portions and things like that. I still was drinking my coffee with keto cream every single day. Look, they even changed the packaging. Now it's shimmery, metallic-y gold, which I'm a little obsessed with, I'm not gonna lie. And it's like a bulletproof coffee. I take it, I mix it up with my hot coffee every morning, and this is my breakfast. I still don't eat breakfast, so I guess I still kind of do some sort of intermittent fasting as well. I'm gonna be getting way back into this now in the fall, so I'll have more videos up for you guys. But I have been drinking this with my coffee every single day. Obsessed. And they actually just came out with the new pumpkin spice flavor. It's not here yet. I ordered it. It's on its way, and I cannot wait for it to get here. And then I was also, especially on the days where I needed the energy to go from a busy day at work into rehearsal at night with choreography and singing and all of that, and remembering lines, and Godspell is a very fast-paced show, so I needed that little extra boost, and I was still drinking my exogenous ketones. This one's Blue Ocean. This is my favorite. That's why I want to show it to you guys. It tastes like a pina colada. It's amazing, and it has a whole bunch of ketones in there and helps me get into ketosis within 60 minutes. So even though I haven't been eating super great, these have been helping me out. And the energy, the mental clarity, still, burning fat after drinking this, even though I may have had some French fries earlier in the day. So that's where I've been. That is where I'm at. I'm so excited to tell you that, guys, I have maintained, and I see so many new subscribers on the channel over the past couple months, and I hope that so far the recipes and the tips and all those things, the lifestyle, has been helpful for you and has been great, and there's gonna be more coming. And if you guys do want information, if you want to start out your day with this version of a bulletproof coffee, or including some exogenous ketones into your schedule, you can definitely just go ahead and check in the description. There's gonna be tons of info. You can go to my website, carlyvoinski.com, and check out what's happening there. And really, I am just so excited to tell you guys that it's not like a fad thing where as soon as you stop, you're gonna gain it all back. Now, do I drink soda every day? No. I mean, there's definitely habits now, but it's great because after eating ketogenic for so long, now if I do eat too many carbs, I feel it immediately. My body can still feel the difference between what it's like when you eat poorly and what it feels like when you make good choices. So I'm just naturally making better choices now, and I'm naturally not craving certain things. And that has to do with doing keto for a good handful of months and being super strict about it, and then still including ketones, keto cream, and all of that in my life. So that's where I've been. Where have you guys been? Did you get off track in the summer? It's fall, football season, you know, pumpkin picking, all of that. Are you ready to get back into it? The winter's coming, holidays are coming. How can we best get ourselves ready for that? Looking forward to hearing from you guys. So go ahead and hit the like button if you are happy to hear what's been going on with me, if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.